Let's prepare this delicious oven grilled mackerel. To already cleaned mackerel, add chili flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, Chinese 5 spices, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, and if you don't have that, you can use smoked paprika. And lastly, olive oil. Mix together until well combined. And now place the fish on a rack and grill in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 40 to 45 minutes or until the desired texture and dryness is achieved. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.